Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and if you're taking your kids to a festival this summer, then this video is for you as we've put together our top 5 tips of things to pack for the summer festival season. Okay, so before we get going, quick caveat, we are based in the UK and the summer festival season can mean anything from a heat wave to torrential rain. So we've covered a few options with the gear we're suggesting you pack for your kids. But first up is a pair of waterproof dungarees, particularly good for children sort of under 6 years of age. They're super versatile. Obviously, they're going to keep them dry. They're fully waterproof. Even if they're sliding down a wet, muddy bank, again, they're going to keep them nice and dry. But also, if it gets a bit chilly in the evenings, you can just pop these on regardless of whether it's raining or not, and they do add another layer of warmth, so they're really quite versatile and definitely worth packing. Alongside that, obviously, you want to take some good footwear. Now, wellies are a festival staple, obviously. For kids, I would look, you can get lighter weight wellies, so it can quite often be quite humid at a festival if it is damp. So look for wellies that are kind of sort of the shorter end of the height on the calf and not too heavy, so they can run around in sort of July, August weather in them quite comfortably. Also, even if it's just super dusty, they can be quite nice because it keeps the dust out of their toes if they're running around sort of barefoot and get a bit fed up with that. The other option, obviously, if you've got a really strong forecast, is a pair of sandals. Again, these sandals with the closed toes are just super practical, stops them stubbing their toes on tent pegs or standing on something or getting stood on. It's going to be much more comfortable for them. So I'd look for a good pair of closed-toe sandals. These ones are a classic sort of one from Keen. Okay, now if you're lucky enough to have a strong forecast, then festival sites generally don't have very much shade. So you're going to need a decent sun hat. This one from Sunday Afternoons is great. It gives a good coverage on the brim and also a nice big cape on the back. So provides really good coverage. Also, importantly, you can adjust the size so you can get the right size fit for your kids so they're not getting annoyed by it being too big and slopping around. And there's a chin strap as well so you can keep it secured, or if they want to take it off when the sun goes in, you can just hang down the back of their neck and they're less likely to lose it. And then, of course, it can sometimes not that warm. A good old classic fleece is always worth checking in. This one's particularly good because it's really nice and high pile. This one's from Didrikson's. Also, they dry really quickly, fleeces. So rather than a cotton hoodie, I would always chuck in a chunky fleece like this. And then finally, if your kids are staying up into the night and it's getting dark, or maybe you're going to a festival in August and when the nights are getting a bit shorter, a head torch is always a really good option for kids. They're quite good fun to run around with. But also if you're doing like midnight loo stops or something like that, it's really good for them to have their own source of light. This one from Lead Lenser is quite fun. It will do all sorts of different colours as well. So it's quite fun for festivals as well. And then finally, there is these little things that are called zip lights. These are just quite handy. You just have a little button and you push it down and the light comes on. You can attach it to coats. We've got customers that have attached them to guy lines so they don't trip over them in the night, or just attach it to the zip on your tent. So if you're getting back late at night, it's easy to find the zip on your tent, or just even identify your little tent if there's a lot of people camping around you. So anyway, this is hopefully is a good few ideas for you to help your festival season go with a bang. Any other comments, please put them in the section below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.